me introduce myself. My name is Putri Tata Surya Savana and my friend,
Selvi Anggreni.
and today I will bring you a very famous fairy tale in Indonesia, namely The Rose and the Jasmine.
This fairy tale teaches us about the importance of being honest, patient, and not jealous.
Let's listen to the story together and take valuable lessons from this story.
Rose and Jasmine. In a small village where the signal often disturbs whenever it rises, there lived two half-sisters. Jasmine, a diligent, gentle, and saint girl, and Rose, her half-sister, who is more familiar with her Kelpon skin than housework. Since childhood, Jasmine has been accustomed to life in simplicity. Her hands are agile in holding a broom. Her steps are agile when mopping the floor, and she knows where the bucket and rag are better than the contents of her own bag. If there was a competition to mop the fastest in the village, Jasmine would definitely win easily. Meanwhile, Rose is more familiar with Instagram filters and TikTok trends. For her, housework is just a background for content. Is asked to help, her answer is always the same. Wait a minute, I'm scrolling through TikTok. One day, while washing her stepmother's jumbo sized clothes, the clothes were swept away by the river current. Jasmine panicked, chased the clothes to the end of the village, and met a mysterious grandmother. Not the ordinary grandmother, but a grandmother with who owned a home salon who was also a part-time magician. With a secretive smile, the grandmother said, "If you want your clothes back, help me clean this house first." Without hesitation, Jasmine nodded. She worked wholeheartedly, sweeping the floor, cleaning the glass, and even arranging the salon equipment with great care. It did take long for her grandmother's house to be sparkling clean as if it had just been renovated. As a thank you, the grandmother offered two pumpkins, one large and one small, without being tempted by the size. Jasmine caused the pumpkin small because she believed that something that looked simple could hold great goodness.
When she returned home and opened the pumpkin, everyone's eyes widened. From inside came sparkling gold, jewels, and even shopping vouchers. A miracle she never imagined came from a sincere heart and selfless work. Saying that, Rose could not hide her envy. "I want a golden pumpkin too!" she exclaimed passionately. The next day, she brought her old torn clothes, pretended to drop them into the river, and walked along the water to meet the same great mother. She was also asked to help clean up. However, unlike Jasmine, Rose did everything well, complaining every 5 minutes. She took a deep break, then stopped only to check notification. Even so, that grandmother still gave her a chance. Two pumpkins were opened again, and with full confidence, Rose immediately chose the biggest one. However, when the pumpkin was opened at home with her mother, what came out was not a golden glitter, but thousands of maggots wriggling and filling the room. The sounds of scream outside. The house turned into a sea of panic. That's when Rose and her mother realized that the true gift is not the big and flashy one, but the one that comes from a sincere heart. They apologized to Jasmine for their behavior so far. Since that day, the atmosphere at home has changed, warmer, more peaceful, and friendlier. Although they still occasionally fight over the television remote, not everything is done with jokes, not with envy.
Those the tale of the rose and jasmine that I can convey.
From this story, we can learn that goodness and honesty will always bring happiness, will envy and evil will bring regret.
Hopefully, this story can provide lesson and inspiration for all of you.